everyone! So today we are working on our garden. We are so excited because we have been filling the raised beds with our dirt and our compost. We have two huge compost piles I'll show you in a second. And we have been filling our carts, like our big gorilla carts and all that stuff with them and hauling them to the garden, which has been working. But my dad was here moving a tree that we had to take down for our driveway, and he was so sweet. He's moving the compost actually with the tractor, which is so much more efficient and so much better. So he is picking up all the compost from the compost pile that we have in bulk and moving it over on a big tarp in between all the raised beds, and then we can just easily shovel it in the bed. So I'm so excited. I'm going to show you the compost piles and then show it to you in the garden. It's so exciting. We're getting our garden and our raised beds filled up so we can grow some food. Let me show you. All right, so here you can see right behind me, it's a gorgeous day out. Gosh, it's so beautiful. And it's like 60 degrees, South Carolina, February. I love it. But you can see behind me, I'll show you those compost piles where we're doing all the tractor work. Guys, all right guys, so actually he already moved one compost pile, so you don't even see that one. That's where one of them was. And here's where the second one is. We just had it dumped on our lawn, which is actually used to be an old driveway, and we wanted to fill it in, so we thought the compost would be good to get the grass growing there. So he already scooped up one of the piles and we're working on the second one. You can see how gorgeous. This is a local organic compost company that we buy it from. You always know soil is good when it has worms, when it's really dark and rich. You can see it's just so beautiful. We also have a mulch pile right here. It's not dyed, which is really nice, so we use that for all our raised beds, or not the raised beds, all the beds where we're doing our landscaping. So we are just so excited to get this going and get this dirt moved. So this probably saved us, I don't know, like a week or two's worth of work of getting this dirt moved. So we are so thankful. Really sped up the process versus just shoveling it in a cart and moving it. So let's go ahead to the garden and see where it's at. my dad grew up on a farm, and I grew up on a farm. My parents farmed all my life, so this is nothing for my dad. He's used to baling hay, doing everything with tractors, so this is kind of fun. He gets to move some dirt with a tractor. Alright guys, look at that dirt looking so pretty. Who knew dirt could look so beautiful? So the compost pile is now moved into here. We just put a big tarp down right on top of our gravel and just had them dump it right there, and then we're gonna shovel it into the raised beds. But you can see a lot is moved already. All right, look at that. So it's about a pile and a half. We already got in here. And we're just gonna keep adding to it till all of it's in here. Look at all of that amazing dirt. We are so excited. It just keeps going on, and we're probably just gonna have just enough room here where our tarp is. So we just have a couple buckets left that we're adding to it, and we will have it all moved. There it all is. All right guys, we are just so excited to get our garden one step closer to being planted, and just have all this lovely compost moved from back there to here, which is, we're so thankful. It's such a huge help. So I'm so excited for you guys to join the ride with us today and get to show you the process. It was a fun one, so we thought you'd enjoy it. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.